Hi guys, my name's Ilsy.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Ilsy. It has been insane since I last saw you guys, but I'm gonna start by, you know, talking about like some of the goodies that I have bought recently, because when stressful things happen, I am so irresponsible. These are my spider plants. So I'm gonna start by showing you guys some goodies that I have bought recently. Oh my gosh, and it's almost fall time. It is August 18th. Cannot believe it. Oh my gosh. It's August 18th and I am just filming. I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh, before I get started, since last time that I saw you guys, a couple months later, I got married. So your girl is a married girl and I cannot believe it. I can't believe I'm saying that. 5 months ago, I was in California and my husband got me. She is so cute. She is the best, but she was my birthday present. She's a little LA girl. Come here, baby girl. Come here, Jen. She's my little girl. Oh my gosh. Okay. Jonah, go back to bed. So let's start with fragrance, because I freaking love fragrance. Like, if you don't know me, well, now you know that I love fragrance, and every time I wear this perfume, it's like such nostalgic vibes. Like, I just love this perfume so much. Okay, this is a Juicy Couture, like Viva La Juicy, you know, classic OG Viva La Juicy. And then second perfume, this perfume just makes me feel like, oh my gosh, I'm 26. Like, oh yeah guys, this year I turned 26. I cannot believe I'm saying that. I am 26 years old. I remember when I first started filming, I was barely turning 21 and now I'm 26 years old. I am a grown woman. Am I? This perfume makes me feel like a grown woman. This is the Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. This is the Eau de Parfum. But yeah, I love this perfume so much. Okay. This is the Acqua di Parma Peony Noble, whatever it's called. It's like a sparkly oil type of thing. Wait, can we see her? It's just like a sparkly oil. It smells really good. If you like peony, you're gonna like this. Chanel recently expanded their cream bronzers. I got their medium. I know there's like a light bronzer, medium, and then deep. This is the medium one, and this is what I use to bronze contour with. I love how this smells. It just kind of looks like that. I love how the Le Beige line smells from Chanel, because I'm gonna be talking about a lot of things. Yeah. Cute short hair moment. I cut my hair today, guys. My husband actually cut my hair. Can we just talk about trust? Oh guys, do you guys remember the Victoria's Secret sale that was not too long ago? I got these perfumes. I just love Victoria's Secret scents. I think they're super cute and I just really like them. And I also got this lip stain from Dior. This is the Rosewood color. It's just like a pretty like rosy color. And guys, this is so insane for me, but I went to MAC and I got the half red lip liner, and it's what I'm wearing right now, paired with patisserie lipstick. I got a couple goodies from Jaclyn Hill. I got a couple goodies from Jaclyn Cosmetics. Did you guys see that John Hill passed away? I think this is his like birthday month, or perhaps it was last month in July that it's his birthday or whatever. Oh my gosh, like I actually felt something, like even if I don't know him, I was like, oh my gosh, that's so sad. And I think it was due to like drug addiction or something like that. Well, I got these things from Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is the Love Language blush. If you guys know me, I freaking love blush. I mean, it's not obvious already, like, and this color is everything. I freaking love it. Highlighter. I am wearing this today and it just looks like that. Oops, kind of like, just looks like that. Star Power. This is one of the putty ones. I freaking love this color. This is my favorite. This is the candy drip one. Oh my gosh, guys, this color is insane. I love this. It just adds the perfect amount of tint. Like, I just freaking love it. Brow Gel by Benefit. If you guys have watched my videos from before, that I freaking love this stuff. I got this today, actually. This is the Kenra Lux Shine Oil, and yes, you can use this as a heat protector. It's really, really nice. It has like little flecks of glitter in there, and I think it's really, really cute. I really like this stuff. I used it today to style my hair, and it's the only thing that I have, you know, on my hair. So I think it's pretty good. Oh my gosh, should I show you guys the shoes that I got? I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. My husband makes me feel like these shoes are super like manly looking, but I mean, I really like them and I really love gray, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not, but I'm gonna show you guys and you guys tell me what you guys think. Actually, okay, do you guys like Air Maxes? I mean, I really like them. I have the white Air Maxes. My husband got them for me, but I freaking trashed those like within the week I got them because I literally would run through the sand in white sneakers. So crazy, but I was just so happy and in the moment that like I just ran with the sneakers. Anyways, they look like this. I think they're super cute. These are the Terrascape ones that just released. These are literally sold out everywhere. Like, I tried to get my husband a pair of these and I actually just ended up getting him the OG all white ones. But yeah, these are the ones and I think they're really cute. I don't think I'm gonna return them actually. I'm gonna keep them. So I went to HomeGoods like a couple of days ago. Actually, that was almost a month ago, the 21st of July, and yeah, they already had freaking fall things everywhere and I went freaking crazy. Someone is here, someone is here. I got this for my little brother because his birthday was a couple weeks ago, so I got him this because he loves Dr. Pepper. And here comes my hubby. Do you want some? So many calories. Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? Anyways, this is the best milkshake ever and it has booby balls, or I don't know what they're called, but they're so good. Oh my gosh, I saw these and I was like, I have to have them. Guys, I am like a cup and mug whore. Literally, like, I freaking love cups and mugs. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just really like them. And I got this, guys. Oh my gosh. So cute, right? Like, this is so cute. I'm gonna start using these already. I haven't opened them literally purposely to show you guys because if I open them, if I were to open, forget about it. And I really love baking. So I got these little spatulas. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so obsessed. Like, I love this, especially because I have a black cat. His name is Mur, and he lives with my husband's mom. And the reason why we can't have our cats here is because they only allow 2 pets here in this apartment. So we can't have our 3 cats. But thankfully she lives down the street from us. I got these, guys, these are so cute, right? Like, these colors are so fall. I love, like, how cute is that? Oh my gosh, I am such an old lady. And I got these. This one says spooky and then it has like blue and pink, and then this one, I love this one, Shake Your Bones. Oh my gosh, who am I? Okay, now I am gonna show you guys what I got from SHEIN. Oh my gosh, by the way, this is from SHEIN too. I have spent so much money on SHEIN. It's so easy to buy stuff on SHEIN. It's so easy to online shop because you just literally save your card and then like you can just click place order, and then that's how things happen. I got this little tank top and it has like those little ruffly things on the top. I think those are really cute just to throw on and put a cardigan over. I feel like that's just really cute and simple. Anyways, I got this really cute top. It like kind of comes down like that, like in a ruffly way. I don't know how to explain it. It's just really, really cute. Oh, and I got this dress. This dress is so cute. It's like all the way down. When I met my boyfriend, I was literally a 00, and from there on, now I'm a size 6. So I had to learn how to dress my body in these different stages. But I love you know, like having to play around with my wardrobe. Like I love that, and I have loved every single stage of like my body transitioning into more of like I'm a size 6, and I'm really happy. Obviously, if I were, my goal honestly is to lose like 10 more pounds. I'd be super happy if I were to lose 10 more pounds. This is like a crop top kind of thing, so yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, I really love this. This is a really cute crop cardigan type thing. So cute. I love the colors so much. I started buying a lot of fall things because I'm just obsessed with fall. Like literally the one highlight about living in the Midwest is the fall time. Oh my gosh, and I'm gonna show you guys someone so cute. I'm gonna tell you guys the story about him too. I got this other top that's also ruffly. I'm so obsessed with the ruffly tops. I feel it just adds a very feminine touch. But this is the ruffly top. Super cute. And now guys, I am gonna show you these jeans that I got. These are the Good American, and then these are the Good Leg flare jeans. Guys, Good American is my oh my gosh, I just felt that. Good American is my favorite jean brand ever. I love Good American because even if you're in between sizes, like even if you lose or gain weight, it still fits so good. The material is so nice and soft and stretchy. I freaking love Good American. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so for our 7-year anniversary, I gave my husband Bubba. He named him Bubba. He was the runt of the litter. But yeah, this is Bubba, guys, and he is so cute. He's also a Chihuahua mixed with miniature pincher, but he is so cute, and he just came back from the vet right now, and I'm literally so obsessed with him. Like, oh my gosh, like he is the cutest, and he's just so sweet. When I take him out for a walk and he's done walking, he literally jumps up on me so I can hold him because he doesn't want to walk anymore. That is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys